Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change USD to CAD on the Airbnb app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change USD to CAD so that you can see the prices in Canadian dollars on the Airbnb app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Airbnb app. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account Settings, then click on Payments. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click on the currency. Now go ahead and scroll down until you find Canadian dollar and click on Canadian dollar. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change USD to CAD on the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.